I will share with you one homemade remedy to help reduce pigmentation and whiten skin, one shade in one single application with only one ingredient. Hello everyone, welcome back to Skin Masterclass. I'm Chidam, your personal skincare coach. Today we will be making an exfoliating toner and a mask using ROSEHIP. Please make sure to subscribe for weekly skincare videos and follow me on Instagram at Skin Masterclass so we can always stay connected. So how are we going to do this? First, you want to cut up 5 to 7 fresh, whole, ripe rose hips. Fresh obviously would be the best option, so if you live in a country that you can find readily available fresh rose hip, that's great. But if you can't find the fresh option, you can always buy the whole dried rose hips from any online health shop. What I'm doing is I'm boiling the rose hips with 1 cup of water for 5 minutes. So the basic recipe is 20 grams of rose hip to 1 liter of water. But obviously 1 liter of water is too much for one application. That's why I'm saying 5 to 7 rose hips for 1 cup of water. So you boil the whole rose hips, take it off the heat, and you let it sit like that for around 25 minutes. Not more than that though, otherwise it will be too concentrated and harsh for the skin. Then what I'm doing is I'm separating the water and the rose hip. So filter the water, which will be your rose hip toner, but keep that aside, don't throw it because this is like your golden toner you will be using as your exfoliating toner. What I'm doing next is I'm blending the rosehip, including the seeds. It's best to use a NutriBullet so you have an even consistency, but if you have no blender readily available, then you can follow my leads. Make sure you add the little bit of rosehip toner you just made so it's easily spreadable on your skin. So now we have a paste and we have our toner. Now we are ready to transform the look of our skin. Before you start with this treatment, make sure your skin is deeply cleansed so you can give yourself like a mini facial scrub with my DIY oat scrub. So you can find the link in the description below, or you can just click on this notification here. So after I deeply cleanse, I then get a cotton wool, soak it in the rosehip toner water and gently swipe my skin. This will really help to unclog your pores so the mask will work much more effectively. Now it's time to apply the rosehip paste on my skin. Even though it's quite a fine paste, I'll advise you not to use it as a scrub on your skin as the seeds are not regular, circular shape, similar to walnut scrubs. So it could cause micro tearing to the skin and sensitize it. You can use this mask as a targeted treatment. So if you have any specific areas you want to brighten, just focus on these areas. Or if you want to lighten the whole face skin area, then what you do is just pat the paste on your skin gently, but make sure you're completely avoiding the eye area. Then this part is key. You have to keep the mask on for 15 minutes until the paste is dry and you start feeling this like light tingling sensation. You shouldn't be feeling burning, just like this light tingling sensation. And to be honest, you might not even feel the sensation at all depends on the sensitivity of your skin. After 15 minutes, you then wash it off with cool water. And then what I'm doing here is I'm going back with the same exfoliating toner and doing exactly the same motion. You will see that my skin is immediately brighter and lighter with just one single application. This is a medium strength mask, so I recommend using it once a week in the evenings. What I recommend you do then after to really help with the whole lightening, energizing process is to go over your skin with a green tea ice cube. I show you how to do this exactly in this video, so please make sure to check out that video also. And now the final step is to apply a nourishing oil that has rosehip as the main ingredient. Even better if it also has a percentage of retinol, vitamin A inside the oil. So I'm using the Chidam Night Treatment Oil from my skincare range. This oil is personalized exclusively for your skin type and could contain up to 1% of vitamin A along with 20% rosehip oil mixed with other 20 rich oils and extracts like tomato seed, watermelon seed, sea buckthorn. That will really balance the whole sebum production and that will help with cell regeneration. Alternatively, you can go for Triology rosehip oil or Herbivore Phoenix facial oil, the Iromes beauty oil. These oils also have rosehips as their main ingredients, but also combines other potent oils and extracts inside the formulation. So as with everything, I am here to tell you not how to do things, but also tell you the why. The high level of vitamin C alone gives rosehip oil a potent anti-aging effect and has been shown to effectively reduce hyperpigmentation. It is high in carotenoids, which are vitamin A-like compounds that regulate skin turnover for a more even complexion. So I would love to hear from you. What are your DIY skincare recommendations for me? If you have any skincare or skin-related questions, please ask them below, and please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for a new skincare video every single week. Have a lovely day, everyone. See you next week. Stay safe.